Hey cuties! I kind of did like a salute type thing. My hand, I don't know what it was doing. It's like, it's supposed to be kiss. And I was like, really robotic. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto Domo. Oh. I'm trying to make it go limp. Me. Welcome to the hall. Two trips of Urban Planets. I just did a pet peeve video. Can I show you what I said in it? Okay, this one. When people add an extra S to businesses that don't have an extra S in their brand name. And now I literally just said Urban Planets. Like Urban Planets. It doesn't even roll off the tongue right. Urban Planets.
Urban Planets.
I feel like a big Urban Planets right now. Like Pluto. I could be Uranus. I could be Uranus. Okay, so I went 2 different times. I got one black bag and one pink bag. One was at the end of summer and then one was during fall. But you'll see a theme. Like, it doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, fall, or if I'm in space, I'll wear the same things. I love tank tops. I love little shirts like this. I love leggings. I love matching sets. So literally, you guys know the drill with my hauls. Oh, looks like my nipple's hanging out. Just put some hair over there. So I'm just gonna go with the old one first. Relatable. Wouldn't it be great if all the old ones were chosen first? I'm in a good mood today. I am not feeling the greatest, but I'm in a good mood. I don't know, we'll take it. And if you can hear sounds in the background, I'm washing clothes right now. I did shut the door, but if you do hear a little bit of tick tick boom, ticky ticky boom, chee chee bang bang, that's what that is. I got some cute stuff. Okay, the first thing is, I'm so glad I'm hauling this because I've been wanting to wear this, but I don't, because like I get stains on things, I rip things, my cats claw things, I'm a mess. I'll get alcohol spilt on shit. So they're not the same. Like I'm not gonna be like show like a big freaking sourpuss stain on something and be like, I got this. So I want to show it when it's fresh and clean, jelly bean, and has nothing on it. So this is so cute. This is one of my favorite things I probably ever bought at Urban Planet. This is amazing. I love the colors of this. The like nude and brown. It matches my nails so nicely. This is so cute. I love the fall vibes on this. And the way that it fit, it was like scrunched up. It didn't like fit me boxy like it like it fluffed up like I look like a marshmallow or like a mushroom or something, like really fluffy. I'm also in love with this high quality zipper and it says Playboy and it is Playboy brand. I got this one in a size small. It's really cute. This like, I don't know, this, wow, hello. The fit of it reminded me of what my mom wore a lot in like the late 80s, early 90s, what I've seen from pictures, but mixed with like new and like the colors and everything was like Kardashian. I don't know why, but I feel like the Kardashians invented nude and that's so stupid because people in like Egypt were wearing nude, you know, like back in the day, like way back in the day, people were wearing nude and I'm like, oh, the Kardashians like invented nude. Anyway, this is so cute and I love it. Oh, and I'm gonna show you the price because everyone likes prices. When I say the prices, everyone likes prices. $50, $49.99. Girl, I did not pay that. Where's my receipt? I would have not. That's the thing, is there's so many things on sale. 40% off, so I got it for $29.99. That's a way better price, eh? 30 bucks. Scoop that up. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this little New York 95 Varsity shirt. 92! Oh my god. I was literally looking into the viewfinder and reading it backwards. I feel like Karen from Mean Girls when she's putting on the, she was like, yes, that was literally me just now. I was like 95. This was a good price of $11.99, but it was 40% off and I only got this one for $7.19. That's literally cheaper than like Value Village, like thrift store prices. And I feel like it's so cute and I love like wearing these all year round because I can layer things up. Like people are always like, oh my god, it's like -30 where you live. How are you wearing things like this in leggings? I'm like, I buy a coat. Never buy a coat. I just wear like a big sweater and then freeze and then complain about the cold. Me! Okay, go and get your comfy on. I love oversized men's tees. This is an extra large and it's this like mustard color. I was craving a hot dog real bad after this. And this was $11.99 and it was again 40% off and I got this one also for $7.19 just for a nice like relaxed day, chilling, editing, drinking some hot chocolate. It's really like December, you know? Yeah, it's really December. It literally looks like a sunflower, but it's really comfy and we all need like comfy stuff. Like seriously, when I was a kid, I never had like like something like oversized like that, and then I always like dreamt about it. It's so dumb. Like I always had like my PJs to be comfy in, or like my comfy clothes to be comfy in, which were like fuzzy leggings or something like that. And I was always like, I just want like a big oversized shirt. I was like, when I grow up, that's what I'm gonna, when I grow up, I'm gonna buy an oversized shirt. Like that was me. And I did, and I grew up and I bought it. Okay, so I saw their matching sets and they literally look like the, see? My PlayStation-esque bracelets. When I put these on, I was like, they're so cute. And then I realized they look like a PlayStation controller. Like the circle, the triangle, and the square. And now I can't unsee it that I'm literally like, gamer girl. But this is like the material of the TikTok leggings. They're all over. You can pretty much find them anywhere. Like you can go on Amazon and find them. There's so many places that sell them for like ridiculous prices. But when I found some at Urban Planet and with a matching top, I was like, yes, because I have a set like this already, and it's like a tube top, and this one was more like for fall, and I like the color of it. I mean, we're coming into winter. It's freezing cold outside, but I mean, my Vlogmas, I wanted to, this is like why I went to these. I wanted to like save some clothes for like Vlogmases, because I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to try to do every day. I don't know if I'm going to do every day, but I'm going to do like some kind of Vlogmas. I'm going to try, because I don't want to like say like I'm going to post and then I don't, you know. This like honeycomb material, and then when it like ruches in right here, it really like flatters your butt. And then to have this band right here, it honestly just, it's really flattering on like any body type, I feel. And the color's so different, so I'm just like raving about these. Anyways, the pants were just so cute. So they were priced separately in case you didn't want to get them as a set. I got them both in a size small. So the leggings were $24.99 originally, but I paid $14.99 for those. Like so good. And the top has a hood, drawstrings. It's very, very stretchy. It's very forgiving. I love this. It has pockets. It'd be so good for like working out or just like relaxing and chilling, or just like honestly to be a baddie and post on Instagram. Some of these, the reason why the tags are off is because I've already done the try on. I did that first. So that's why. So some of these I could like hide the tag inside, me giving you guys behind the scene. And it's by Infinite Performance, if you guys care, if you don't have an Urban Planet near you and want to try to find this. $24.99 again, and I paid the same thing, so $14.99. So that's a really, really good price. I'll be wearing that a lot. Okay, then I got these necklaces because I've been loving gold and I've been loving like stacking necklaces lately, and these were only $7.99 for all of these. There are 5 on here. They vibe with my nails. I love it. Some of them can look a little cheapy. Like this one kind of looks a little cheapy, but like these ones don't. Like this one looks so cute. So I like to buy them in big packs. Wait, where did I get these on sale? Yes, I did. They were 40% off, so I got them for $4.79. So less than $1 a necklace. That's crazy. So that's why I just love Urban Planet, because even if they break, like I don't want to spend money on something and then have it break and then maybe like, cool, I spent like $30 on that necklace. I used to do that, and it was just like, I'd not reach for them. I would reach for more like my cheap shit, because then I'd be like, oh, I'm going to the club. Well, I want to look nice, but these look nice, but it's okay if you lose it, right? Just lose it. Okay, that was everything on the first bag. Now we'll go with the most recent purchase, which I showed it on Snapchat. I was like, I was going in there because somebody wanted to go in there and just grab some new shoes. And I was like, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just gonna like look around, right? And then I came out with this bag that's like bigger than the one I just showed you. If you guys wanna follow me on Snap, I do like little sneak peek things. I don't know, like you can follow me on Snap. I show my cleavage a lot, so beware. Okay, here we go. Oh, the first thing is something for Vlogmas and December and maybe like Christmas morning. I'm not sure yet. I usually go to Victoria's Secret and get something for the season, like the holiday season. But this one it just was calling my name, and it looked so nice. I got it in a size medium because I wanted to have like a little bit of room. I didn't want it to be too tight. And it fits me, and it's so comfy. I cannot wait to wear this. I look like a lumberjack. And then here are the little feet. Nice and fuzzy on the inside, and then these little pom-poms. And yeah, this is so cute. And this was $39.99, but girl, I didn't pay that. So this was a different time I went, so I don't think, because everything was 40% off that day. But you never know, let's see. This was 40% off. So this was $23.99. That's way better than 40 bucks, I think. Like, so good. Like, I love going to Urban Planet. You know what their prices, my dad always told me, is I don't know if this is true, somebody might want to explain it to me, is my dad says they just put a $40 tag on it, and it's not actually $40. It actually is $25, but they'll just make it seem like it's a good deal, put sale signs all around so that you think that you're getting a good deal, but you're actually paying full price. So that's what my dad said, because he's like, that's not a $40 item. Like, that's not a $40 item. It is a $25 item. So you're literally paying full price, but thinking that you're getting 40% off. Like, it's a buyer's tactic is what my dad says. Allegedly, I'm not saying that that's what they do, but maybe, I don't know. I would like to know your guys' opinions. Do they do that? The next thing I got was this little bralette type thing. This will be good, like maybe as a sports bra, I'll see. It had really good like support, so maybe I could use it as a sports bra as well. But I like to wear these just with leggings, like as I'm doing right now. This is actually a bikini top. But these are also really good for layering. I use this underneath quite a few of the items that I used to try on today. Ow, there's something in my eye. Ah! I just looked at the brand. Oh my god. And I bought this from here, 100%. I just took off the tag this morning. So I've never seen this at Urban Planet, but this is literally, like, let it focus, literally Forever 21. What? Here's the tag. Oh my god! I bought this. Yeah, see, it's the same price tag as everything else, but it's Forever 21. Weird. I don't know if they collabed. Maybe they collabed, but anyways, that is, wow, okay. That's why it felt like a little bit different quality, like a little higher quality, I'm not gonna lie, but like anyway, that's weird. So this was originally $15.99, if you saw that, and I again got it for 40% off. Oh my god, I got everything for 40% off. Ooh, let me show you guys these little Barbie socks. I'm selling Barbie socks. So they look like this. They're like little booty socks, or like ankle socks, booty socks. And then this one says Barbie on it, and this one is tie-dye. So a lot of different variety in there. And these were $11.99, but these were 50% off, so I only got them for $5.99. Yeah! Next, I got this really comfy cardigan. I was like grabbing so much. I didn't want to set anything down because I always want to have everything in my hands, because if I just like keep stacking, then I'm like, okay, I can't get anything else. I have to go check out now. If I set things down, then I'll like get a new stack in my hands and like it's an issue. So I was grabbing everything. This was the very last thing I saw. I was like, I need this. This is so cute. She's giving very chai latte. With oat milk. Ooh, she's an oat milk sweater. She's an oat milk latte. This one here was $24.99. I'm like looking at all the brands now. The streetwear society is like what Urban Planet always has been. So now I'm like looking at every single brand name. It's so cute. I got a size small because I like the way that it fit with a small. It was like oversized, but just enough. And then the sleeves are like ruched in right there, or like elasticed in. So it just gives a really cute effect, and I like the buttons on it. But did I pay that? 40% off, so it was only $15 for this. This is gonna be really cute for the holidays. Maybe to like go like look at Christmas lights or something in that. So cute. Next, I got this shirt, which I posted on my Snapchat, and I got a couple DMs, actually 2 DMs, asking where I got this shirt. So I got it at Urban Planet, and it is Streetwear Society brand, size small, and it's pretty. I really like the colors. I like the design. It's like really like vibrant. It reminds me of like My Little Pony or like Care Bears or something like that, with my heart in the middle. And this one was $11.99, and I got it for 50% off, so it was only $5.99. That is so cool. And look at the design. I love that on there. It's like a pink flaming heart, but the heart is still intact, you know? You get knocked up, but you get knocked. Sorry. You get knocked up. Your heart may get knocked down, but you get up again. No, that's the only thing I can think of when I was gonna listen to that song. I'm like, you get knocked up, but I get up again. Okay, the only one that for some reason the tag is not on here. I don't know what happened to it, but it's probably gonna be around the same price as everything else. It's this little Playboy shirt. I grabbed this right at the end. I was checking out, and it was literally on the rack as I was checking out, and I just grabbed it and brought it up. So maybe it didn't have a tag originally, but it says they were like vowels. Like it's a vowelless day. So it says Playboy, and then it has the same tag as it did on the brown sweater there. And you can wear it like if you're, you know, going for golfing, or you can be like, oh, what happened? You can be like, yeah, woo, PiinkSparkles. And I love the color of this. It's very like nice sky blue. I think I'm gonna film my next video in this, so that's good. Oh wait, which one doesn't belong? $19.99, and it was 40% off, so it was $11.99. Okay, the very last item that I got was this. Let's just say the price of this first. This was originally $29.99, and I got it for $14.99. So I can put my receipt away finally. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I loved this. I loved the mixing of the patterns on this. This, I don't know why. There was a cropped one, but I just liked the longer one because I can like tuck it in, maybe wear some like leggings and boots with this. I loved the colors and just like the mismatched. It was just so, you know, get the best of both worlds. You get the best of both worlds. I just like the way it fit and everything. It was just a different vibe than everything else. So that was it. It's everything that was in this bag. And I hope you guys have a really good day, and you guys deserve to smile today and be happy. And I hope I made you smile at some point, or maybe laugh at me or laugh with me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!